Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This feels a little bit weird because I have not filmed a video in a really long time. As you guys know, with the whole Black Lives Matter movement and George Floyd, I didn't think it was right for me to be filming videos with makeup or anything like that, because honestly I was just trying to do whatever I can to just spread awareness, and I did a lot of it on my Instagram and my Twitter. So I was doing a lot of that over there, and that's why I wasn't very active here. And honestly, my personal life has been a little bit weird for me. I've been like having some mental problems, and I was just really depressed, more like anxiety and just stress in general. But today I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just really try to just get myself together and just film a video, and that's what I'm doing today. I did order the new Colourpop, the tie-dye collection. I was not able to get all of the collection because it did sell out like really quick, but I did manage to get 2 palettes and the highlighter, which I'm like shook with this highlighter. Like, it is huge. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out. I ended up grabbing the in a trend trans, I think it's in the trans. Oh my god, I am so dumb. In the trans, and I got Miss Bliss. I got these because I feel like these are the colors that I gravitated to the most, and I was like, you know what, I think these two are really, really cute. This one, it is beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. So it came like this in the little box here, and I am obsessed. And I'm also going to be throwing out some swatches here for you guys on camera, like just like some pictures of the swatches I did so you guys can see. But I love how this looks here, and I also love this. It also has the names back here so you guys can see. They're really, really cute, and I love the names. They're amazing. And then I also got this mama right here. This is our highlighter, and it's called You're a Trip, and it is huge, like huge. It's like bigger than the palette. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is bigger than the palette, and it's just amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and open them. It does have like any information that you need right here, and it does say not intended for use in the immediate eye, and I'm pretty sure it's because some of these are gonna be pressed pigments, and that tends to happen a lot with pressed pigments. But I mean, they're just saying it because they kind of have to post it there, but I'm pretty sure you could use it in your eye, you know, as an eyeshadow palette. It looks like this when you open it. I think it is so cute. I matched my nails with it because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film the video, and my nails were disgusting. But look how cute this is. And then we also have this other one. I'll go ahead and open it. And while I'm doing this, let me know how are you guys been? How are you guys doing mentally, physically? How is life going, honestly? Because I feel like I have been just really stressed out. So it makes me happy that I'm actually sitting here filming a video because I've been wanting to do this. So this is the Miss Bliss one, and I do feel like this is more of a neutral palette. So I feel like this is like your everyday go-to, and that's why I kind of grabbed it, because you do have your neutral shades here, and you do have some beautiful shimmers and some pinks, and I love that. Okay, and this is the highlighter. You guys, it is huge. Look at the comparison with the palette, and then this, like, it is so big. And this is what I mean by big. Look how beautiful this is. Like, this is like a highlighter with a pink and purple shift, which I love right now. I'm not really a pink girl, but I was like, you know what, this is a cute palette. I like this one way more than the other one. So we're gonna go ahead and use this highlighter palette today. Don't know what kind of look I'm gonna go for, but we're just gonna kind of go with the flow. I do want to use both of these palettes. I'm not gonna lie, like, I do want to go in with both and see what I can create. So let's just go ahead and do this, because I need some makeup in my life, and I look like I need it. Like, I need it. I really do. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. I'm gonna go in with this, and we're gonna go ahead and prime. I'm gonna prime my eye with this. Just make sure that I have like a nice base for this, because I just want to make sure my eyeshadow clings to my eye very good. So we're just gonna go ahead and just add this as a base. You guys, my total for this was like $39, which I actually thought it was pretty cheap for being 2 palettes and being a highlighter palette, which was like amazing. So I was very, very happy with my total. I wasn't upset. But you guys, the price for Colourpop, it is amazing, and they shipped it so fast. So I think I ordered like around Friday or Thursday or Friday, and I got it Monday. and it's just amazing. So what I'm gonna go in with, Own Your Power, which is this one right here, this purple, and I'm gonna be using that, and we're going to be packing that on the outer corner and just kind of packing it in there and just making sure that I blend that out. I don't know if you guys can see, do you guys see how it's like barely anything coming out? But I think it's because they're like pastel colors. So I would recommend, if you're gonna grab it, I would recommend you packing it in there very good and then blending it out. But before you blend it out, I would recommend you packing it in your eye and just tapping it in like this and then slowly blending it. So like that, you can get like a nice, very pigmented eye look. So that's what we're going to do. See how cute that is? That is really nice. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Transcend Dance, which is this blue right here, and I'm gonna be adding that. I'm gonna add it actually like on the corner right here and tapping it next to that lavender color, and we're gonna just kind of like tap that in and blend those together. And it does have a little bit of fallout, so it's not too bad, but I just wanted to let you guys know. And I'm gonna show you guys really quick here how it has a little bit of fallout right there. The purple one was fine, but this blue one does. But I think it's because this has a little bit of shimmer, and that's why you have the fallout. But other than that, like, I don't mind it, but I think it looks really nice. For my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Optimist here. This is from the Miss Bliss palette, and I'm gonna show you guys really quick. There is a little bit of fallout there, and I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this to the inner corner and just kind of blow that out a little bit and just blend that in slowly. It's super pigmented, you guys, like really pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see how pigmented that is already. So we're just gonna go ahead and just blend that in, and we're gonna do that on the other side. So far, I'm really liking the way these are blending. I feel like they're blending very nicely, which I do love a lot. I do want to say that the Optimist one has a lot of fallout. I don't know if you guys can see right there. It does have it. So I wanted to let you guys know, just in case, for those who really care about fallout, it has it. But honestly, for me, as long as it comes out in the eye, that's all that matters to me. So now, since we have that in, I'm gonna go in with the shade Daydream Baby, which is this one right here. I'm gonna go in with that pink, and we're going to be packing that in and blending it in with the shade Optimist, and just kind of blending that in and bringing it together and blending these together right here. Just blending it in, and it's slowly gonna just blend in very nicely. You guys are gonna see how it's just gonna blend in. But these are for sure the kind of shadows that you do want to pack in before you go in and like kind of blend it in all together, because that's the only way you're gonna get like that nice payoff. But so far, I'm like loving the way this is looking. Let me know what you guys think about this collection. I actually personally do like it a lot. I think it's so pretty. Go in with the shade Up Level, which is this purple right here, and I'm gonna be using that to also blend in Daydream Baby and the Optimist shade, and just kind of blend that right there, which I am loving, you guys. It looks like a dream. Like, look how cute that is looking, and I feel like I love how that it's looking. So we're gonna just kind of keep blending that. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm going to be packing that in to the outer corner and just kind of blending that in with the blue, and we're just gonna just tap that in there. This is looking really cute, and I am using like a little packer brush for it. I think this is like a elf brush that I got, so we're gonna just kind of use that and just blend that in just as a base, because I am gonna go in with some of the shimmers that we have in this palette. But so far it is coming out really cute. I love it. Now I'm gonna go in with the other shade, which is Own Your Power, this purple one right here. I had gone with this one. Now I'm gonna go in with this one and just really pack that in to the lid like this, and just packing it in there, because I want to make sure that it's very nice and purple right there. Now with the flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shade, the Mine's By, and we're gonna go in with this right here, and I'm gonna pack that and tap it all over the lid and just make sure that it's very nice and blinding. You can't really see it, but it's kind of there. I wish it was a little bit more blinding. Maybe I have to wet it. We're gonna see wetting it now with my Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. We're gonna wet the brush and kind of grab a little bit of that again and just apply it on the lid. And I do feel like you're gonna see it more now. I don't know if you guys can see there, it kind of pops more. Honestly, I do kind of wish that you can see it a little bit more, but it doesn't look bad. Now I'm going to go in with Clarity, which is this shade right here. And it's kind of like an iridescent blue. You just can't see it there. Using my finger for this. And I don't know if you guys can see that, how pretty that looks. We're going to be packing that all over the lid. On top of it, so we can see a little bit more of that shadow that I had put. You guys see how it's looking? I don't know if you guys can see that. I feel like I can see it, but I feel like the lighting just doesn't help it. But do you see what I'm doing there? I feel like it's looking very nice. Now I'm going to go in with this shade, which is Aura again, which is this one right here. And it's like a pressed glitter there. And I'm going to be using that, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. I already did it on this one, but I'm going to show you guys how I did it. I basically just kind of tapped that in there. And oh my god, I am obsessed. The way it looks, it is so freaking pretty, you guys. Look how pretty that looks. Oh my god, I'm like actually obsessed with how this is looking, especially with that pressed glitter. Normally I'm not a big fan of glitters because it kind of gets everywhere, but this is it. I love it. So I will be grabbing the shade Clarity, and I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna be packing this on my inner corner like I did to this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and just pack this in so you guys can just kind of get a little bit of that nice highlighted look. And I'm gonna also kind of like pack this into the brow bone just like that, so we can get like a nice glow. This shade right here, which is called Optimist, and we're going to be packing that. I'm gonna just tap it because it has a lot of fallout. I'm sorry. And I'm just gonna kind of tap that in to the eye and just blend that out. I don't know if you can see, you guys, it is a really light color, so I want to let you guys know that very, very light. So I'm just gonna kind of pack that in there. It's really pigmented when you pack it in, so that's why I'm like recommending you guys to pack it in before you blend. I'm gonna go in with the shade Own Your Power, which is that lavender color, and I'm just gonna blend that in a little bit here and just blend it in to connect it to the outer corner. It's like a really hard color for it to pop, so I'm gonna go in with the Up Level, which is that other purple shade that it's in the palette, and we're gonna kind of blend that in. Now with Daydream Baby, which is this pink one right here, I'm gonna go in with this, and we're going to be packing that in to the middle right here and blending those shades together. So far this is how it's going to be looking. I'm gonna go off camera and I'll put some lashes on and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I put some lip gloss on and some lipstick. If you guys do want to know what I used today, I did use e.l.f. lip gloss that I used on top. Use the House Laboratories Le Monster lip crayon. This is in the shade Power Move. Use these two together for my lips today. So now to move on with the highlighter, which I'm so excited about because it's so big, you guys. It's humongous. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face before I put my highlighter because that's normally how I do my highlighter. So we're gonna go ahead and just set. And we're gonna fan. You guys, so far I actually love the way the palettes work together. I did have to pack some of them a little bit more because they are a little bit more of a pastel palette, and I did use a concealer as a base, but I feel like if you use maybe like a white base, it would come out a bit more. I don't know how these would come out on darker complexions, and that's really important to note, just in case you guys were wondering. Maybe in darker complexions they do have to use like a really light base for it to come up, because I use concealer and my concealer's light, but I do want to say that, you know, I just wanted to throw that out there, just letting you guys know. So I'm gonna go in with this is a brush, and I don't know, I think this is a Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in with this. I do want to say this is pink and purple and golden, and it's like a little bit nice. I don't know, you guys, it is blinding. It's like blinding. So we're gonna go ahead and just add it to the places I normally would. Oh Ooh, this is really, really nice, you guys. Like, look at that. That is super cute, and I like it because it has a little bit of pink, so it does blend a little bit with the blush, and I like that a lot, you guys. It looks really nice. I'm just packing it everywhere where I normally would, but I like that. It is so good, you guys. I love the way this looks. Like, I just love this palette and I'm happy with it. I'm gonna keep using this because I love it, and the price was just right. I am gonna be putting the prices here for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But look how big this highlighter is compared to the palette. Like the pan, guys, the pan is amazing. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comments below. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel and you guys want to be part of this little family, make sure you subscribe, because I would love for you to be part of my little fam bam, you know? Be part of it. Also, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter, you guys can go ahead and follow me there, and also on my TikTok. I'm like the same name in all those same ones. They're the same name as my YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end, and let me know if you guys are gonna be grabbing this palette or not. I don't know if they're gonna have a restock. I'm still kind of waiting on that because I haven't seen any updates on that. But if I do find anything, I will update it in my description box below. If I do find anything, I will let you guys know. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.